Welcome to our tutorial about creating an angular connection. Let's start by creating a sketch. We'll draw a line right here. Right-click and done. Let's place a second line now. Right-click and done. Now let's apply dimensions. An angular dimension, 45 degrees. OK. And this dimension, let's make it 2 inches. OK. This line will be 1 inch. Now let's create an align dimension. 1 inch also. OK. And we need one more dimension. Right-click, done. Let's add a coincident constraint. And we're ready to exit the sketch. Finish sketch. Now let's place 2 more planes. We'll select these 2 points, and this line, and second work plane right here, and this line. Let's create a sketch on work plane 1. We'll use this point, create a circle. Let's dimension it now. 2 inches in diameter, and finish the sketch. Now let's create a second sketch on work plane 2. A circle. Let's apply dimensions. It's going to be 1 inch in diameter. OK. Let's exit the sketch. Activate the extrude command now. We'll extrude as a surface. Let's choose the profile. We've got our circle. The distance, 5 inches. OK. Let's create a second extrusion. We'll use our first circle now on work plane 1. 5 inches in distance as well. OK. Here are 2 cylindrical surfaces that intersect at a 45-degree angle. Now let's offset. Activate the offset tool. Output as a surface. Distance, 1/2 inch, 0.5. And click OK. Let's actually make a shorter extrusion. We'll edit offset 1, make 1/4 inch. Now let's activate the trim surface tool. The cutting tool will be this surface. Surface to remove, this one here. OK. Let's hide offset surface 1 now. Right-click, visibility. We'll create one more work plane. At a distance offset by 3 inches. Now let's activate the trim tool again. The cutting tool will be this plane. Now let's select the segment to remove. And OK. Let's hide sketch 1 and our work planes. Control select. Right-click, visibility. Now let's use the loft tool. We'll select this edge and this edge. Let's go to the Conditions tab, apply a tangent condition. The weight value, 0.5, and 0.5 for edge 2 as well. Click OK. Lastly, let's create a solid. Activate the Boundary Patch tool. Apply, apply, apply again, and done. Now let's check our part. Looks like I missed a surface here. Activate the Boundary Patch tool again. Select the surface I missed, apply, and done. Now let's Control Select all the surfaces, Boundary Patches 1, 2, and 3, and the Loft Surface 1, Extrusions 1 and 2. Stitch them together, apply, and done. And here is our solid. This concludes our tutorial about creating an angular connection.